Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you clicked on this video, chances are you are looking into becoming an affiliate for Builderall. Now, I've been an affiliate for Builderall for 9 months, and honestly, I think it's the best affiliate program in the world. That's my personal opinion. It is great because if you're doing digital marketing online, people need our tools, people need to build websites, people need to build sales funnels, people need to have social proof pop-ups on their websites to help them increase conversions. They need to build an email list and all that good stuff. So we can help so many people online make money with our tools. So the affiliate program is just like icing on the cake because we get to promote an amazing tool that's going to help so many people. But you're wondering, how in the world are you going to actually start promoting Builderall, and how are you going to start marketing Builderall, and how are you going to start making money with Builderall? Well, in this video, I am going to share with you a little hidden gem inside of Builderall called the 90-day Builderall Marketing Challenge, and we're going to go over some of the amazing training that you're going to get access to when you join our 90-day challenge. So if you are on the fence about Builderall, or if you happen to be with Builderall and you don't know this exists, then keep on watching because I am going to share with you some incredible marketing training you will have access to when you partner with us in Builderall. So if you're interested in learning more about that, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. So, being one of the top producers inside of Builderall, I get a lot of questions, and one of the questions that I recently received was, will you require me to do video marketing if I, partner with your team? Okay, so here's the thing. Most people that join Builderall are pretty new at marketing, right? And chances are you don't have a really big budget to start with. So you're looking for free ways to start really promoting Builderall online, okay? Now there's only a few free ways to promote Builderall, but because we want to get the most value out of our time, hard work, and our effort, we want to do something that is going to produce the highest results, okay? Now, some free marketing examples include video marketing, which is what I did and what helped me become a top producer inside of Builderall, inside of the top 10. The second thing you can do, if you're more social, you can do Facebook groups, but you have to do them the right way, obviously. And you can use forums like Quora and stuff like that. Or you can place classifieds on Craigslist, but I don't even know if that's a thing anymore, so I wouldn't even touch that. But you can do that and it's free. Now the only thing is that you are going to have to invest time into whatever free marketing strategy you choose. Well, the cool thing is that when you do the 90-day Builderall challenge, you are going to get access to top-notch marketing training from one of the top affiliates inside of Builderall. What I want to do is I want to share with you what training we actually have inside of the Builderall 90-day challenge. So I'm going to take you through that right now. Okay, so here we are in my back office, and once you activate the 90-day Builderall challenge, you will actually be rerouted to this page. Now, if you happen to be in Builderall and you're watching this video, or you're on my team, here is a little tip for you. You want to come down here into training. Now, heading into 2019, we are going to completely redo our dashboard, and we are going to have an affiliate only dashboard and a marketing tool only dashboard. So that's coming. That will reduce the overwhelm of coming into the Builderall back office. But in the meantime, you can come back here, and if you go to training, you will only see basic training. Now, because I am a super affiliate inside of Builderall, I have access to all three. So I provide training for my team, Team Rise, and I teach my team basically how to become professional marketers. Whoops. Hey, Chad. So I teach them how to become a professional marketer, okay? And so the first thing you have to do when you start Builderall is you have to get that cash now mentality out of your mind. You have to come into this as if you are building an actual business. This is a startup business, and you are, you know, you want to take it seriously, right? So if you want to be one of the top earners, like myself, like Chad, like Liam, who's another top earner inside of Builderall, you have to think like one. You have to behave like one, and you have to take actions like one. That's just the bottom line. It really is, okay? So what I want to do is share with you, see right here, we have the Builderall 90-day challenge training level 1. So this is where you would be, okay? So in this training, he goes over how, you know, the challenge works, how Builderall works. He gives you some tips here on what not to do and why most fail. Search versus social, which is, you know, one of the reasons why I do video is because it's based on search. I know people are searching for this content, whereas social, which is like Facebook groups and stuff like that, that's more interruption marketing. You're kind of interrupting people through their social activities and stuff like that. I prefer not to do that. So when someone asks me, are you going to require me to do video? I don't require my team to do anything and they don't want to do. Okay, what I merely do is I teach you to do what I do. So if you want to do what I do, you do what I do. If you don't want to do what I do, well, you only have a few other little choices. What are your choices? Search, which is video marketing, blogging. You're doing content marketing so that you are found on the internet, and it's free, but it's a skill that you need to learn, right? Or social, which is Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, things like that, okay? Where you're interrupting the flow of someone's day to tell them about your business, okay? So if you're sometimes I feel like when people ask me questions, they're trying to find, is there an easier way to do this, right? Like where I don't really have to do much? No. If you want to build a business, you have got to improve your skill sets, and that's just the bottom line. So you're either going to do that or you're not. But the cool thing is that, you know, unlike a lot of network marketing companies and other, you know, business opportunities out there, we have full-on marketing training from someone who knows exactly what they're doing because they're at the top of Builderall. Okay, so we're getting this. To me, this is like, this right here is worth at least $500–600 right here, just this training alone, and you're gonna get it for free when you do Builderall. Okay, now here he's teaching you 3 ways to get your first sale. Attracting people from groups. So if you don't like video, watch this. He teaches you how to attract people from groups, okay? Using your Facebook profile for traffic. And then here is my little piece of gold, which is why we use YouTube. Now the cool thing is, whether you want to do social, which is Facebook, it can be faster than YouTube, or if you want to be YouTube, we teach you how to do that inside of our 90-day challenge. I mean, we even teach you how to do some SEO for your videos, okay? And then here, if you do Quora, which is a forum, I don't really do Quora, but you can learn how to do that here. So the 3 main strategies that we teach you inside of the basic level of our marketing training inside Builderall is going to be Facebook and Facebook groups. It's going to be YouTube, which is what I do, and it's going to be Quora, which is a forum. So you've got 3 main free marketing strategies that you can learn to start promoting Builderall. Okay, so if you haven't seen this, if you happen to be watching this video and you're already active in Builderall or on my team, then I would highly recommend that you go to the basic training section and check this out. Now, if you're not a member of Builderall and you're looking to join Builderall to do the affiliate program, then I'm going to go ahead and recommend that you check out the 90-day challenge. That way, when you get signed up with Builderall, you go immediately into marketing training mode so that you can start promoting Builderall to your network, or start building a network to promote Builderall too, okay? So if you want to check out the 90-day challenge, I will have a link right below this video video where you can check out the 90-day marketing challenge for yourself. So if you are looking into the Builderall affiliate program and you want to join my team, Team Rise, and you want to get access to all this training as soon as you get started, click on the link right below this video and join the 90-day Builderall marketing challenge and stay focused, okay? Do exactly what we have instructed you to do, and do it every day and do it consistently until you set your first goal, meet your first goal of 3 people, and then you can go on to the intermediate training, which will help you get to 20 people, okay? Join the 90-day marketing challenge. This is my sponsor, Chad, right here, and you'll see that I'm even on this page, even though I've earned way more than that since then, but hey, it's definitely, it was a great place to start. So go ahead, take the 90-day challenge, check it out, and if you're already in Builderall, make sure to check it out in your back office. So if you have any questions regarding Builderall's affiliate program or the Builderall 90-day marketing challenge, please go ahead and leave your comments right below, and I will go ahead and answer any questions that I possibly can to help you. And if you enjoyed this video and if you got an aha moment, please go ahead and like this video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell to make sure that you're alerted the moment that I upload my next video. Alrighty guys, so this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!